Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. As you guys can see that I have set up a whole new background with my silver play button right here and some accessories. Now talking about today's video, summer has already arrived and I know you guys must be looking for some रिफ्रेशिंग समर स्किन केयर रूटीन. ड्यूरिंग समर मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीजी हो जाती है, सो आई डोंट लाइक टू लेयर अप माई स्किन विद स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग समर. ऑल आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ यू गाइज इज अ फेस वॉश, अ मॉइस्चराइजर एंड अ फेशियल ऑयल. दैट्स इट, नथिंग मच. And these products are from the brand Pilgrim. Now Pilgrim is a cruelty paraben sulfate free brand and their products are 100% vegan. The range that I have with me is called the Secrets of Seville and the main ingredient of this thing is squalene. Squalene oil has tons of benefits such as it moisturizes our skin, it's non-comedogenic, it improves our skin texture and softens it, it prevents fine lines and also reduces dark spots, and that's why it has become a trending ingredient. One thing that I love about Pilgrim brand is that they always ensure to write down all the ingredients that they are using in their products, also the sources on the website. As you guys know that my skin condition is not that good and recently I have started to notice that my skin is getting so dull, so my acne marks are quite visible now. So this is something that I'm facing right now. So I got my hands on these products and started to use them. I think after 1 week I started to see a visible result. I would not say that it will instantly solve your problem as it contains all the natural ingredients, and we all know that natural ingredients take time to work. Now let's talk about the skincare products that I'm using currently. So here I have the Pilgrim Squalene Foaming Face Wash with kiwi extract and vitamin B5. It comes with a silicone brush and I always prefer face washes with silicone brush. इससे एक तो deep cleansing हो जाती है, at the same time exfoliation भी हो जाती है, like mild exfoliation. It's a smooth foam cleanser that will remove dirt and makeup without any hassle. It's non-comedogenic, that's why it will not clog your pores. It has non-drying formula and that's why after using this face wash आपकी face बिल्कुल भी dry या तो खिंची हुई सी feel नहीं होगी. And it's very hydrating, very moisturizing. I know face washes ज़्यादातर moisturizing नहीं होती है, but as it contains kiwi, that's why, and squalene obviously, that's why it's very moisturizing and hydrating. After that I will be using squalene and phytoretinol glow face oil with rosehip oil. This facial oil is also non-comedogenic and it will provide you that youthful glowing skin. You will be needing few drops of this facial oil and then warm it up and then apply the facial oil like in circular motion, or you can just massage your face. I like to massage my face while applying my facial oils. इससे एक तो blood circulation promote होती है and secondly facial oil के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा benefits मिलती है. Now this facial oil is very lightweight, that's why quickly skin पे absorb हो जाती है and बिल्कुल भी oily या तो greasy feel नहीं होती है. As it contains phytoretinol, it fights with fine lines and wrinkles and enhances skin glow. At the same time, it maintains skin's elasticity. This facial oil is very soothing and you will feel it while applying it. If you have dry patchy skin, then it will improve your skin texture and you guys can see the glow on my face. Lastly, to moisturize my skin, I will be using Squalene Glow Moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin C without any artificial fragrance. This cream is very lightweight and quickly skin पे absorb हो जाती है and absorb होने के बाद again greasy feel नहीं होती है, आपकी skin बिल्कुल भी oily नहीं दिखती है. This ultra hydrating cream boosts radiance. This cream is very hydrating and moisturizing. Now niacinamide hydrates our skin and visibly brightens it. Vitamin C naturally brightens our skin. It reduces dark spots, dark circles, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. This cream is suitable for all skin type and it can be used during morning or at the evening. And during summer I always prefer such kind of creams जो कि moisturizing हो and skin पे बिल्कुल भी oily या तो greasy ना लगे. The things that I have noticed after using these products, first of all मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा bright हो गई है. मेरी ये वाली पोर्शन की जो डार्कनेस है, जो पैचीनेस है, वो रिमूव हो गई है. मेरी स्किन पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा इवन टोन्ड हो गई है एंड मेरी डार्क स्पॉट्स भी काफ़ी हद तक लाइट हो चुकी है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइसेस, स्क्वालेन फोमिंग फेस वॉश रिटेल्स फॉर ₹350. Then Squalene and Phytoretinol Glow Face Oil retails for ₹600. Lastly, the Glow Moisturizer retails for ₹550. If you wish, you can use my coupon code right here to get 15% off. I will be providing the buying links in my description box, so please check out from there. I would highly recommend these products to you guys. So with that, we completed today's video and see you guys soon. Bye and take care.